Prynhawn dda. The well-being of learners and fairness across the system has remained central in our decision-making process in designing Wales's approach for qualifications in 2021. And I am pleased to be able to confirm that approach today. In line with the recommendations of both Qualifications Wales and the independent review, there will be no exams for GCSE or AS level learners next year. We have also decided that there will be no exams for A-level students. The primary reason for my decision is down to fairness. The time learners will spend in schools and colleges will vary hugely, and in this situation it is impossible to guarantee a level playing field for exams to take place. We will instead work with schools to take forward teacher-managed assessments. These will include assessments that will be externally set and marked, but delivered within a classroom environment under teacher supervision. These will form the basis for centre-based outcomes underpinned by a model of external verification to provide consistency across Wales. Cancelling exams will also create additional time for teaching and learning to continue throughout the summer term, to build the knowledge, skills and confidence in our learners to progress to their next steps. This remains a hugely challenging year, and I hope today's decision sets a course which removes pressures from learners and provides clear time for teaching and learning. I now look to our schools, colleges, qualification bodies and wider education sector to work cooperatively and collaboratively through the year to support our learners and enable them to progress with confidence. I would encourage you to read a full update available on the link above, and please share this message to help make others aware. Diolch yn fawr.